At Autoscope, we go to great lengths to be a big hit with our clients.
And great customer service goes a long way.
So I hear this guy's a big hitter.
I guess you could say that.
Wow, that's pretty good.
What a shot.
Wow. Bring in your fine European car into one of Autoscope's 3 convenient locations for all your service and repair needs. We promise you'll have plenty of great drives.
Nurses, I'm in the Guinness Book of World Records for hitting a 30-foot, 6-inch driver. But even hitting an 8-foot driver isn't as easy as it looks.
Ha! I'm a 3-time BMW racing champion. I got this. Woo! Oh! I got it. I got it. Never doubt the nurses. Autoscope, we go to great lengths to make sure you have a perfect drive.